Agile business models, thriving in a rapidly changing world. Title: Agile business models, thriving in a rapidly changing world. Introduction. In today's fast-paced and ever-changing business landscape, organizations need to be adaptable and responsive to stay relevant and remain competitive. Traditional business models may no longer be sufficient to navigate the complexities and uncertainties of the modern world. Agile business models have emerged as a powerful approach to help businesses thrive amidst rapid change and uncertainty. In this article, we will explore the concept of agile business models, their advantages, and how organizations can adopt and implement them to achieve success in a rapidly changing world. Unlike traditional hierarchical models, agile models are flexible, iterative, and promote collaboration at all levels of an organization. They are designed to embrace change and encourage continuous learning and improvement. Agile businesses focus on delivering value to customers while maximizing their own business outcomes. 2. The advantages of agile business models. 2.1 Adaptability and flexibility. One of the key advantages of agile business models is their ability to adapt and respond rapidly to market changes. By promoting a mindset of continuous learning and experimentation, organizations can quickly identify and seize emerging opportunities while mitigating risks. This flexibility allows businesses to thrive in the face of uncertainty and stay ahead of their competition. 2.2 Customer centricity. Agile business models prioritize customer needs and preferences. By adopting iterative development cycles and close customer collaboration, organizations can gather feedback early and often, allowing them to tailor their products and services to customer demands. This customer-centric approach enhances customer satisfaction and loyalty, leading to increased market share and profitability. 2.3 Innovation and creativity. Agile business models foster innovation and creativity by encouraging cross-functional collaboration and empowering employees to take ownership of their work. With a strong emphasis on experimentation and continuous improvement, agile organizations create an environment that promotes new ideas and solutions. This enables them to stay ahead of emerging trends and disrupt the market with innovative offerings. 2.4 Efficient resource allocation. Agile business models focus on delivering value incrementally and frequently. By breaking projects into smaller, manageable components, organizations can allocate resources more efficiently and prioritize initiatives based on customer value and market demand. This approach ensures that resources are utilized effectively and that business objectives are achieved in an optimized manner. 3. Adopting agile business models. 3.1 Leadership support and alignment. To successfully adopt an agile business model, organizations need strong leadership support and commitment. Leaders must embrace the agile mindset and lead by example, encouraging a culture of collaboration, innovation, and adaptability. They should also align the organization's goals and values with the principles of agility. 3.2 Agile team structure. Agile organizations often adopt cross-functional teams with diverse skill sets. These teams are empowered to work autonomously and make decisions, ensuring quick and effective problem solving. Leaders should foster an environment that encourages collaboration, learning, and continuous improvement, providing the necessary tools and resources to enable teams to deliver value to customers. Organizations must establish feedback mechanisms to gather and incorporate customer insights throughout the development process. This iterative approach allows organizations to deliver high-quality products that meet customer needs efficiently. 3,4 Agile Mindset and Learning Organization. To succeed in a rapidly changing world, organizations must nurture an agile mindset and become learning organizations. This involves promoting a culture of experimentation, learning from failures, and adapting strategies based on emerging trends and customer feedback. Continuous professional development and training should be provided to equip employees with the necessary skills and knowledge to thrive in an agile environment. 4. Implementing agile tools and technologies. In addition to adopting agile practices and principles, organizations can further enhance their agility by leveraging various tools and technologies. These tools facilitate collaboration, improve communication, and streamline processes, ultimately supporting the implementation of agile business models. Some commonly used agile tools include project management software, collaborative platforms, and visual management boards. By investing in the right tools and technologies, organizations can improve efficiency, transparency, and overall agility. 5. Overcoming challenges in agile implementation. While adopting agile business models can bring numerous benefits, organizations may encounter challenges during the implementation phase. Some common challenges include resistance to change, lack of leadership support, and difficulties in adapting to new ways of working. It is crucial for organizations to address these challenges proactively by providing training and support, fostering transparent communication, and nurturing a culture that embraces agility. By addressing these challenges head-on, organizations can successfully overcome obstacles and fully embrace the advantages of agile business models. 6. Case studies: Successful Agile Business Model Implementation. To gain a deeper understanding of the benefits and practicality of agile business models, let's examine a few real-world case studies. Company X, a global technology company, successfully embraced an agile business model and transformed its operations. As a result, the company experienced increased customer satisfaction, improved financial performance, and gained a competitive edge in the industry. Company Y, a retail giant, also underwent a successful agile transformation. The agile approach also empowered employees to take ownership of their work, resulting in increased employee engagement and productivity. Implementing an agile business model is a journey that requires careful planning and execution. It involves embracing new ways of working, fostering a culture of agility, and continuously adapting to changing market dynamics.